Sea turtles have lives, and placing them in danger will lead to their extinction. When you learn about the life of a sea turtle, you will consider how you treat them. You probably all seen a sea turtle up close and personal in an aquarium or maybe a zoo. I've seen them a couple times. They're a little big. They're all big. And yeah, but what if I told you that this massive reptile has a life and could go extinct because of our actions? In fact, 6 of 7 sea turtle species, from leatherbacks to loggerheads, are vulnerable or endangered due to human activity. Unfortunately, they face several threats while being in the ocean. Including unintentional capture and entanglement in fishing gear, loss of breeding and feeding areas due to coastal development, poaching, and ocean pollution, which mainly is because of plastic. But as a college student studying animal science, I'm an animal lover and I have a soft spot for turtles. I had a pet turtle for last 13, 14 years of my life. So I really have a soft spot for turtles, and I can really I just like turtles, all types of turtles, whether they're sea turtles, land turtles, or even dirt turtles, but I just have a love for turtles. But more intriguing information about sea turtles may inspire you to watch some movies about them, or perhaps help them by keeping the environment clean. After acquiring knowledge about sea turtles, it is time to discuss the interesting facts about them and the difficulties they face from humans and nature. Sea turtles are among the most fascinating water species. Many sea turtles come in all shapes and sizes. As you see on the screen, you can see every single sea turtle there is known to mankind, even an extinct sea turtle. You have sea turtles ranging from 2 feet to 6 feet, the ones that are alive. But the Archelon, which is extinct, which was said to be alive when dinosaurs were still here, ranges up to 13 feet, which is crazy. As you see, these sea turtles have different patterns. None of them are the same. The patterns on their back or their shell, are called scutes. And that's the way you can tell the difference between each sea turtle. Everyone undoubtedly believes that all sea turtles are the same, although the scale patterns on a sea turtle's face is as distinctive as a human's fingerprint. Apart from there being different species of turtles, they have also been on this world as long as dinosaurs. According to the Oceanic Society for Ocean Facts, sea turtles and dinosaurs existed at the same time. That's accurate. Modern sea turtles emerged 110 million years ago and have altered very little since then. It suggests that they not only coexisted with dinosaurs for 45 million years, but that they also outlived them, surviving the 65 million year catastrophic extinction catastrophe. They've been all over the world, visiting all oceans and more. But in the ocean, they're not as safe as you believe, and I will explain why. Turtles already suffer threats from nature, but people make it even more difficult for turtles to survive. For example, on the screen, you can see this sea turtle caught in fishing gear. You can see in this picture all this trash washing up on shore. And this is what happens. These turtles sit here and keep eating them and get sick or either die because they're not eating the right food or not eating food, period. As you see, the artificial lights which attract the sea turtle babies or hatchlings, and they just go off into the lights and get killed by either people who are fishing or other predators. Humans have always hurt turtles without knowing it and without recognizing it. Many beachgoers may be crushing turtle eggs changing their environment, and even ruining it. People who do not recycle are simply giving it to turtles, further endangering them. Aside from people, they're not the only problem that turtles face in the ocean. Because all predators that sea turtles confront, nature will always be a sea turtle's worst nightmare. There are several predators in the water, such as sharks, crabs, killer whales, fish, and some on land, which are seagulls, raccoons, and more predators. Particularly with turtle eggs, 1 out of 1,000 hatching eggs lives to become an adult, according to sea turtles. This implies that turtles have a difficult time in life due to all natural threats that surround them. According to the promise of the lecture, marine turtles have an exciting and dangerous way of life. Today, we examined numerous facts about them, as well as the threats they face from nature and humans. Hopefully, it has opened your eyes to how this magnificent species is threatened due to how we treat them, even though they have not harmed us. All that is left for you to do is save the turtles.